Well, hello, Divi Nation. Welcome to this brand new installment of our ongoing Divi Design Initiative, where each week we are giving away a brand new free Divi Layout Pack straight from our design team to you. This week we have for you an inspiring fitness coach layout pack we think you'll enjoy. This new fitness coach layout pack is definitely going to help get your website moving in the right direction. All the page layouts included are ready to bring new life to any fitness website. And for the fitness coaches out there, it has all the goodies. Use it to promote coaching services with strong font and sleek icons. And you can capture leads with pre-designed contact forms, email opt-ins, and much more. It even has dedicated pages for featuring all of your services, a single service page, and even a pricing page. So go ahead and check it out. All right, now join me in this next part of the video where I show you how you can use this new fitness coach layout pack on your own website. Now, before you can start adding pre-made layouts to your website from the Divi Builder, you must first authenticate your Elegant Themes subscription. To do that, go over to Divi Theme Options. Then click the Updates tab. There you can enter your username and API key and save changes. After that, you'll have access to all those pre-made layouts, including the Fitness Coach Layout Pack, without any problems. Now you're ready to start creating your new pages and then adding those corresponding pre-made layouts from the pack to those pages. To get started, go over to Pages, Add New. Give your page a title, and then click to use the Divi Builder. Then select the option Choose a Pre-Made Layout. From the Load from Library pop-up, scroll down and find the Fitness Coach Layout Pack and select it. There you'll find a preview of all of the existing layouts included in the pack on the right. And then you'll want to select the one that you want to use and then click Use this layout. Once the layout has been loaded to the page, feel free to go ahead and start editing it, or simply publish and save the draft and continue on to the next page. You'll want to continue this same process to create all of your pages and then add those corresponding layouts to each of those pages. And once all of your pages have been created, you're ready to add a new primary menu for your website. To do that, go over to Appearance Menus. Give your menu a name and then click Create Menu. On the left, you'll see a list of all the pages that you've created. Go ahead and select all of them and add them to the menu. Under the menu structure area, you can organize the menu items however you like. And then don't forget to set the display location to primary menu and then click Save Menu. And once the menu is all set up, you're ready to create a static home page for the website. To do that, go over to Settings, Reading. Under your homepage displays, go ahead and select a static page. And then for the homepage, select the homepage with the corresponding homepage layout, and then click Save Changes. And now your new website is up and running with the new Fitness Coach Layout Pack. All right, that's it for this video. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. We sure do hope that you love the new layout pack. And don't forget to subscribe to our blog newsletter, our YouTube channel, and like us on Facebook. That way you don't miss out on any future freebies we'll be throwing your way. Thanks again for watching. We look forward to seeing you in our next video.